係啊，各位聽眾，歡迎你能夠在對嚟邊嚟學見嘅節目，嚟邊嚟學見 .com 嘅網頁聽我哋節目，啊，無就是在啲 facebook.com/ 邊嚟學見嘅會聽。我哋邊嚟學見嘅節目，這個禮拜啊，未開始已經被教導人講啊，我哋希望，即係人本是希望啊，我哋日本嘅聽眾啊，各位平平安安。了，個有啊，被交代你人啊，唔是交代不夠。歡呼你人當今當若是聽到這集啊，邊嚟學見嘅節目嘅時呢，我就是應該是到啲邊嚟樣，拜一嘅時我應該是教邊嚟樣當今啊，若是攏要注意看我嘅電話幾號咧，特別去邊嚟學見 .com 嘅網頁會看，啊無就是哎呀，接風啦嘛，等陣啊無就是過去看即個 Twitter.com/JohnOn 會看我嘅。電話成咗聯絡我，一個嗬，我即個個禮拜後就是做即個我生日啦，是拍算到啲咧南洋嘅會做，但是講諗未知較濟消息咧，我會使過去邊嚟學見 .com 嘅網頁去看，啊無就是去 facebook.com/ 邊嚟學見去看，了個有呢是有蝦米物件俾梅我咧，對使對我喺度啲 Twitter 係啲 Facebook 梅，因為我當今已經交別人了。特別咧，肯定接落去咧，未講隻物件就是我後尾慶祝生日係一個禮拜咧，是下個禮拜時，人被有蝦米物件特別嘅節目呢，就啲加林波位。我是拍算特別冇吞氣啦，我本身是冇吞氣，因為我哋已經到下禮拜六禮拜已經教我嘅厝嘅人去拍算慶祝我生日了，所以冇機會去加林波看這出戲。特別接不來，要請我嚟特別嘉賓呢，嚟甲我人講，下個禮拜唔是下禮拜，這個禮拜六是唔是？看，我看下日頭再看者，是唔是？這禮拜六24號，即拜4、拜5加拜6，只是2個較2啦。拜4、拜5加拜6，看即個一出真係特別嘅戲，當然接來就是要請我人嘅特別嘉賓來教我人講關係這出戲。特別嘉賓，我聽到你寫咧 ，OK， 特別嘉賓這個禮拜咧是到啲吉隆坡會帶規定嘅吉隆坡嘅人來，攏聽到咧。阿龍嘅聲到啲阿妹哦，阿妹阿龍特別報到啲阿妹。
我同你冇講話啦嚇，OK。
OK，你嚟呢禮拜咧，我俾介紹兩特別嘉賓去做去看這出戲咧，甚至尤其是你特是大吉隆坡呢，我特別去看這出戲福建戲。其實我是本身拍算要去，特別冇法度呢，都好這個禮拜咧，我比較會厝人慶祝生日，冇法度。這禮拜我俾介紹兩個這個輔導員名咪叫 CC， 歡迎 CC。我俾梅魯嚇，你唔是邊啲福建話特別你曉聽淡薄福建本嚟曉？
我好聽，我好講淡薄。
搞，我俾梅魯你這出戲嘅名叫啥物？
我唔是我嘅Jilawat。
我唔是我嘅Jilawat。
I'm not my pimples。
I'm not my pimples。所以，個有咧，我有可能佢參得冇話者咧，你其中裡面一個人不要講福建話，就是我係 Bella，welcome Bella。Hello。แล้วก็我人頂到嘛做過咧，大頭換做頭Rolex 歡迎。
Hello，我是 Rolex， 唔是 Rolex。
แล้วก็確定咧，แล้วก็Katin是做媽媽係阿朱嘅媽。
Hello，大家好。
大家好，แล้ว這是阿朱嘅媽，แล้ว我人咧肯定個要等嘅咧Mark Silva 加阿朱嘅即個名做咩名？伊 actress。
你就 Amelia 鄧淑珍。
Amelia 鄧淑珍 ，OK， แล้ว我每話人即第二出咧，嗱當然即個Mark เอาไป來個嘛，แล้ว但每試試看先咯。你安怎即這個是寫呢？是 Mark 寫有這出戲。
Mark 寫嘅故事。
Mark 寫嘅故事啦，嗱肯定伊來時咱講唔會較濟淡薄啦。然後我每人看咱其他嘅人，攏參加做這個第二出，邊嚟福建唔是邊嚟福建，是邊嚟福建還是干那福建呀？人就人曉講邊嚟福建話做啲做戲嘅，劇點是唔是邊嚟人？
其實啦，我唔是做邊啲學嘅戲，但邊啱啱好往沙里
嘟好是變領，
嘟好是邊啲人，所以講講起來是邊啲嘅學嘅過來咯。
哦，tapi 伊唔是，tapi 即個 Mark 咪是檳城嘅人嘛？
對，
伊講嘅檳城嘅所以伊寫做拄好啱就拄好浪，咁了是講檳城學嘅話啦。你人做一下啦，做一段人，香港了會使教我講話。到底這出戲是關係蝦米物件呢？那可能若是Mark來是咱擱再問佢，伊會方便來看是安怎？你會使教我介紹看，若是我這禮拜 ，OK， 這裡今日只是21號啦，其實哈，今日只是21號的，means 讓這禮拜4就開始做咯，拜4、拜5加拜6，
拜4、拜5、拜6
拜4、拜5、拜6做，拜4拜。你人這個禮拜，若是講要去吉隆坡看這出戲來講，若是講我有機會來講我去，特別若是有機會來講，有可能是拜4呢有機會，特別我唔知會啦。
愛來，你冇來講。
我拜一巴魯格教，I mean 唔是拜一巴魯格教，我拜已經教啦。今日只是拜一嘛，就一號嘛。
正好潮，你都愛來。
阿 John 啊，John 啊，我講你入物件啦，你都嘛拍過廣告咯，頭一出大頭嘅還珠頭嘛，
對。這是阿龍。物件，
邊啲學見嘅聽眾咧唔知咗，因為網特特呢部有比賽嘅嘛，特特呢部有電人戲比賽嘅，係啦，舊年都好咧做即個舞台劇啦，咱嘅 stage play 啦，特特呢部有一個 award 嘅做，有一個獎嘅，係啦，我舊年咧有應該有22出嚟戲啦，咁了是21出咧，咁了是講 Mandarin 嘅做，咁了一出講學見話嘅做，特別這出戲咧，啲舊年22出戲裏邊，贏到 the best script。And also the best actor role X กับ the best actress 舊年嘅大頭甲還做到兩個本是 best actor 嘅 actress。
哇！
所以當今做掉第2出戲咧，和上一班嘅人、上一班嘅 cast 都點嚟做？然後你邊出戲啊？
拍等下拍超啫。
我拍超啊。
OK 了嚇。
So 我 point 是有嗬，戲嘅了是啲 KL 做嘅啫，特別講邊咧學嘅話戲咧，舊年會記按嘅大獎咗，你好嘅了本身啲出戲裏邊，所以第2出我希望會較濟聽眾朋友有過來 KL 嘅話咧，會過來支持我哋咯。
我若是一拜3來載我去 KL，費事看那個載我對來，阿龍載我對來。
唔使 actually 那係識 plan 啫咯。
哦，就係等陣，
我同你哋正做工啊嘛，我哋人嘅 office 入面做工嘅。
你真係走去啊？定點？
冇特調咯，有陣時一直走嚟走去。
哎呀，我對要去檳城時嚇，我對係檳城時間沒路啦。I mean 我有啲舊檳城嘅，所以你就要當每條路咯。我只有呢個。但是講，
單隻路回話咯。
各位聽眾，但是
愛來哦，你愛咋講？沒有票，
冇單。
啦。
喲，唔要緊啊！我特啲你個燈邊啊看呀，แล้วตอนที่你 black box 你อ่าน邊喺頭邊
OK 當今貴電話房間裏邊咧貴電人嚟個了阿朱 Amelia
Hello
กูวางไง director วางไงตัวแอนมา
好แล้ว我只講那冇插我有去，還是冇去吉隆坡？
我講有嚟N 1是講冇話嘛，講 English 嘛Bella 尋 What's your name? Brana 加 Bella 咯 ，Bella 加 Brana 咯，是講 English 啲戲裏邊。
OK
English and BM sorry
English and BM my BM sudah berkarat แล้วtapi 我講冇插我有去吉隆坡看這出戲，但是講你就是檳城福建嘅聽眾咧，你會使去吉隆坡看。但是講啷別聽嚟講，慢慢拍得話佢未斷啦，因為佢講係冇斷啊。你話若是今日11號，後尾拍戲，人哋即係拜4就開始做啦。但是恁爸冇去到，啷家己去啊？對應該係檳城來時嘅，講好看冇看。特別啷個開始係每伊導演歡迎嘛，佢在到底係檳城福建嘅節目歡迎。
Hello
但係是我開始每個人看就有蝦米嘅特別咯，做咩事佢第2出檳城福建嘅戲嘛，然後每個人看是自己寫嘅，然後當佢都來啊，我叫你前先甲我講看，這是你自己寫嘅。
我寫啦，先告訴after 我做大頭個環球頭嘅時候，我 feel 成個 because 我是講定到我是想 experiment 看嘛，看會做個是未做嘛，so after 我 feel Chua, and the response is quite good. So I feel I take another experiment lah to tell another story in the same language, but this time because Bella Gabrana so like in the story and so it's more a Malaysian story than a Hokkien story because bun Hwana Kosu bun Indian Muslim Kosu, so it's very much a Penang and Kosu. But because predominant language in Penang is Hokkien, so memang si Hokkien kacau lah. 80% is still in Hokkien lah, but 20% is Malaysian English and BM. Yeah.
แล้วลูเสียลูฮามิมิกะลูสิฮามิมิกะโจลูเสียตัวไปเสียจะได้告诉你你告诉
because last year I still 是做一个故事叫sister 姊妹啦，我是有 Bella Amelia Katin 甲宋帆workshop this yeah Bella 講 yes workshop this story lah, but by the end of the year because sometimes 我做 project 時當時 artist 會 feel 成個哎呀咪做這個戲咧，我冇 feel 這個 story 了 so after one workshop for many months suddenly I feel that I want to tell another story which is this story lah, which is about our external appearance lor. And then very funny yesterday when we have interview with Star, Emilia also mentioned this. She said that in Penang all the Chonghua, Chongling girls all only have one hairstyle and their mother is very scared for them to have another hairstyle which is beautiful hairstyle. Hokkien sorry Becky 講 Hokkien
講
so 我是講緊 about 這個咯 about 安怎當時查某叫有這個 look愛水就是安怎那是上水是無好還是無好，那是無水本是好還是無好 so it's about 人嘅 external look compared to 人嘅 internal 啦
南邊水嘅個較水按怎邊啦
內邊跟外口是相嘅是無相 so when 我人有 workshop of the script 就是幾個 actors give their story and some of the stories enter the script in a small way and that's how 我人有一個 script 走出來咯
แล้วว่าไม่รู้อันจ้าลูเซีย是รู้ว่ารู้教人介紹看這個故事อากา是อันจ้า嘅故事แล้วก็介紹看ลอง幾個看嘅 N1 嘅 actors ก็แล้ว一個教人介紹看係你幾個你講福建話個個喏聽講唔是講福建話你教我介紹啫啦
Okay so John is saying get ready to say something to plug the show now. Think about something to plug the show now. So anyway, Was it feels that for me the story has a lot of my family stories inside. So as usual, I wish that the audience will come and share my family stories because I hope that when they see my family stories, they also will be reminded of their own family stories lah. And I think when we were sharing my family stories, my actors also got to relate a bit of their own personal stories inside, and hopefully the audience will get their story in our story also lah. Yeah.
แล้ว這件阿朱呢？阿朱是這 main character 啊？
阿朱是一個領這 Pentas 嘅，領這Jilawat嘅查甫咯。
你是阿朱啊？
我是阿朱。
嚇！你講話你嘅這個阿龍嗰啲啊？
有啲啊？
你嘅講下你最新就講
格式
咩？格式。
你格式講下你格式啊？
我係格式啊，伊是伊這查甫吼，伊就出事啊，伊嘛假使伊講，你特別做一個強嘅查甫啫，無水不要緊嘅。了伊嘛是到細漢咯，伊就聽伊嘛話嘅。了因為伊個真濟Jilawat嘛，所以伊感覺到伊真正是無水，所以伊變強嘅查甫咯。
แล้ว你媽你媽是唔是家丁做你媽呀？阿朱嘅媽。
是咯，
我是伊嘛。
喏，伊是我媽。
我感覺我佇這戲位真水啊，我是真水啊。
真係知嘛
真歹水嘛。特別我真水啦嚇。
แล้ว真水特別真水。
真水特別真水了，我因為我翁走路啊。我真我是我大巴肚，我翁走路，古到少年時，我係格式嚇，唔是我嚇。我 驚我查某囝起曉哦。
上個伊反正阿爸，
我咪水嘅，我阿姨教讀冊就好啦，反正。
伊嘛本身是真水嘅，特別伊嘛學大波撈，係咧伊嘛係人咧跟女仔嘅，伊水但無用，係咧伊希望伊生出來查某囝咧嗬，無水吸是不要緊，要緊人特別有用。
吸死！
了個即個 Rolex 嘅格式咧。
我是伊 uncle 啦。
阿姨啦。
你是 uncle 特別個阿姨。
是咯。
講話。
我是因為嗬，一定是我嘅姐姐嘛。แล้ว actually 我是真係細樣一個阿祖嘅。แล้ว嗬，我嘅厝冇 father 啦嘛，所以我是想個伊 father 那款咯。
唔是，我是我係 mother，no， 你是 mother。
actually 是那款啊。
你是查甫型嘅，伊愛水嘅。
伊規隻愛水，伊甲阿豬變歹嘅，
我是往規間厝地水嘅啦。
是啦。
呢啲戲裏邊做是打波嘛哦。你做是打波，你做是打波，對。你家就是打波型嚟。
對。
打波型嘅打波，咧uncle咧特別最介意嘅，甲阿豬教蒸啦，係介意蒸水嚇。
是咯。真教嘅啊，王。你 eyeliner 咧，咁咩嘢咧
？eyeliner 我覺得就小英 eyeliner 個雞頭雞白白摸。你我咁樣Okay, now I'm gonna bounce the question back to Bella. So Bella, what is your character in this production?
I play 6 characters.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's gonna be challenging for me.
How did you find playing 6 characters challenging? What are the challenges?
It's very exciting because you get to be 6 different people in a play. How many times can you do that?
Mm-hmm.
It's very interesting.
So the other character then is the other actor then is Brana, right?
Yes.
Hi, Brana.
What's up?
So what is your character? Do you play more than one characters also or no?
Sort of, but not as much as Bella. But my main character would be Faisal, who is Achu's love interest, lover.
Mm-hmm. And then that's it, right? That's a character.
I've got 2 other very small but vital characters. They're basically students in Achu's school when she's in school.
So it sounds interesting. Wow, very complicated. All this this connection, and so they and I assume the character of Brana. What is your name?
My name. My character name is Faisal.
Faisal. So Faisal sounds like a Malay name. So you play a Malay character?
Well,
Indian Malay.
By the fact I'm Indian, my character is actually Indian Muslim now.
Indian Muslim.
Mama.
Oh, Mama a character. Oh. Very interesting. And then okay. 你一個會唔會講？Okay， 咁先上頭已經講到河南話嘛，I mean 阿莫話嘛。So I'm gonna ask you. So what is it like to be playing characters that speak a different language in a production that is, I would say majority in Hokkien? Is that correct? Majority of that in Hokkien or about half?
Yes, it is. Yes. Yeah. I find it very interesting and also challenging. And I've come to understand a little bit of the language because I do have my English script to make comparison. Mm-hmm. So I think it's very interesting. I'm able to understand, but I'm not able to reply in Hokkien.
So prior to this, Bella, do you have any friends or people that you have close contact that use Hokkien? Before?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, and they're all excited to come and watch the play.
Oh, very good, very good. What about Brana?
It's been very interesting. Bella and I can count from 1 to 9.
What does 1 to 9 mean?
Sorry, say that again.
What does 1 to 9 mean?
Well, we can count.
Oh, in Hokkien. Yeah. Okay, 來。Okay.
1, 2, 3.
1、2、3、4、5，陪了吃無聊，6、7、8、9，寫Jilawat 6、8、6到。
搞。
你聽到攞句話講明明。
有生一個阿咪背脊未了，生一老話冇到。你係整個叮當啦，特擺學嘅，變咧話嘛人講那是背脊無了一半，那是講有寸嗰啲背脊直接背脊前起來，講你變生一老話啦，係哦。
冇得掉，古仔我見到四日就試，人食無了，當大波食無了，我覺得全部是生毛病嘅。
哦。等我想下，我唔係講明。
查某是假硬生毛病款嘛。
哦，唔是家己人咧做書，特別係
咱就無好嘅就話解啦，佢哋你人都冇嗰啲。
係啦，嚇對，แล้ว我搞sangat pandai啊，แล้ว
Yeah, thank you.
OK แล้วตอนก็มาตัวที่即係阿朱嘅角色啫，阿朱你感覺到做這角色咧，有對你家己本身嘅經驗有攤到有攤拖出來，你家己角色有攤拖出來用哦。
哇，我計無相嘅。
哦，講下。
因為我是無愛水嘅查某嚟，特別嗬，你導演叫我做隻愛水嘅查某啊，我真係坎坷嗰隻。因為我古早我讀中齡嘛，你袂使愛水嘅，你敢加上一個探模6年上下咯。了我嘛是我無去想看我愛落水啊，啥怎啦？比我是感覺到我做一個強嘅查甫，像我嘛講下咯。特別當今這導演叫我做嘅是愛水嘅查甫，愛去靠搭幫下咯。所以我感
假如本身嘅人個無咪想啦。
嚇，是哦。特別當今咧，我感覺到伊甲我愈來愈像。
แล้วก็即係แกติน都做伊媽嘅角色，有假如本身角色係咪無想，還是有想？如果你
Of course 無想，
想，
我人真好嘅啊，無想。
我你人唔想我咧，
我想喺古早細漢嘅時候。
你按照做咩事你做伊媽，係咪事你感覺到即個角色伊媽嘅角色無咪好咧？伊逼伊就話會做伊頂到無談嘅物件。
唔是因為伊影響伊查某囝真濟啊。
哦。
แล้ว伊影響到是無好嘅咯，伊成日講伊查某囝啊無水啊，了特別就紅啊，咪嗰啲物件無好。
唔是無好啦，伊是買我行古早行過路，係咯。
你個了解你嘛？嗬。
哇，那乖。แล้วก็你姨呢？
呀。
講下你Rolex 講下你角色。
即個角色咧，完全甲我是無相嘅啦。
做咩事呢？是今日人潮成日是無咪贊成嘅呢喎。
我totally是無相嘅，伊想嘅物件咩啊？
即係話你講下。
我無伊安尼愛水啦，無伊安尼搞妝。
其實都只愛水啊。
OK， 等陣我俾妹媽看，媽你 cast 伊嘅時候，有看到伊係咪物件，你感覺是伊識嚇做這個角色嘅呢？嚇做。
佢條冷眼一叫伊來。
吹唔掉人一叫伊來啊
？Actually，我 feel Rolex 是真係 flexible 咧。feel 伊我有 believe 伊做好這 role 咧。So actually honestly 我叫伊來做，我 feel 唔知伊家是未試過打波。
伊叫我嚟做 experiment 咧。
But after
是咯。But after a few weeks 我看伊哦，你 especially 伊家嘅店是 family 嚟啊，伊人講福建話更加像。你伊Amelia 嘅店嘅福建真係像，真像一個 family 咯。
哦。
我哋是講家人 Rolex 嘅店是。
是講咩關係？
標甲標上梅啦。
標落。
嘅店嘅 Rolex 戲裏邊咧是指嘅小弟，係咯家人咧啲 reality 裏邊咧本是標誌嘅標小弟嘅關係嚟。
對。
你講讀上次我
是撞嘟咧。
哦，撞嘟。
八係撞嘟嘅。
我話你撞嘟。
OK。
沙冷啊。
你三人，嗰啲係把撞嘟咧啊？
我是撞嘟嘅，
我當時邊咧撞嘟啊？
係，我是邊咧大膽撞嘟嘅。
大膽嗰啲。我成件衫嚟嘅。แล้ว那是我每看即係那是講白你未曉講福建話人，你俾坐裏邊要去看錄 subtitle。
有 Sir title，我冇就咁我 Sir title，頂面
，OK，
頂面嘅。阿摩嘅 English 嘅 Mandarin。
哦，所以你那是比較聽福建話講，你邊有特啲對你告訴啦。
對。actually 舊年我冇是冇 expect 到人哋人過來嘛。舊年做過嘛，舊年5點滿㗎了。
哇！是唔是你變福建嘅事啊？
舊年 surprise 冇 expect 講啲 KL 做福建話係不能嚟 support 嘛。舊年5滿㗎了。
แล้วว่ามักอ่ะ我ไม่รู้คนน่ะสิรู้กำกับเดียวจิตเอาอุโจกวยเท่าจิชุดฮอกเกียนจะเลยฮีอ่ะสิต้องกินไป做第二出สิรู้กำกับว่ามีมีเกียไปว่ามี pressure อ่ะสังกัดว่าไป做มีกับไป做較好啊ว่ามีกับไป exceed รู้定到performance
actually 那是愛做大頭換做那個一擺You know it work already. So 那做個一擺是無 challenge 啦。But this one 是無想做一下做。Because 那是愛講起來是Hokkien 戲哩，你會使講是 Hokkien 戲，but then 伊本是 Malaysia 嘅戲本來做 ，because 本有媽媽啦、番拿啦，然後有別個 language 咯。So actually 那是你愛看 the challenge is there because 伊是 actually 無想甲頂到做戲啊，可能。And then伊個 concept 本無咪想 ，so for me 阿你是 the challenge 啦，即個故事是無想啦。Then 頂到愛講是福建戲哩，是正是福建戲。但係即個哩，我愛想 is like the Hokkien world, but how do other race relate to the Hokkien people?
Oh, I see. So
yeah, and then 我諗 yeah，你Hokkien 人哩當時真係。Especially when you in a Hokkien family 啊，你變成是 Hokkien world 去做別個國家人唔幫咪。It's not the same 呀。There's one scene when 伊個cartoon 嘅 character because 阿朱愛個媽媽行嘛，咧 cartoon 講安怎你個阿咪外國人行，咧阿朱講伊嘛那是外國人嘅是媽媽嚟嘛。But for 阿朱啊，唔是 Hokkien 人，佢是外口人啦，唔是。我想人咯，阿朱嘅嘛，是 the old generation 啊，是上漢嘅咯，那是你唔是福建人咧，你達到是外國人嘅咯。So that is something we want to also talk about 啦。
That interesting. That's because 我是感覺到，咱馬來西亞嘅故事真係係有 overlap racial stories overlap 嘅啦，特別咱。較濟是到啲咱嘅 literature 會較少睇到講 overlapping 嘅 character 啊，我哋 deal with 啲乜嘢，你看陪咧過去呢 ，until what is that 啊？就係 setback 啊，什麼啊咧show 是樣卡做 interracial relationship 啊，咪個做，你感覺到I mean that challenge is good 啦，but 我會ดู話 but logistically 會做成個講用無相嘅話，特別到啲一出。戲裏面做有蝦米物件 self 有蝦米物件 challenge 呢？你成個安怎去 face 嘅 challenge 無相 languages within one show。
Actually when 我人 improvise 個 Brana 個 Bella， 我人係用 English，but then after a while the actors themselves feel it's more comfortable to change the language to this to that to Manglish, you know. So actually 是 actors 家己 improvise the language based on 伊人嘅。How comfortable they are as a character. So 我人 feel that is not a challenge, but that is the beauty of something like this lah, which is more improvised.
Yeah.
So 我寫kalau si Amor at first, then 我寫kalau si siang, okay, let's think in Hokkien. But then when Chile character kalau cap je lah whether it makes sense or not that this character speak in English or in Hokkien or in BM, and then we make the changes from Malay lor.
So more organic ka
organic 啦，一啦，
แล้วก็是個 local 咯，個 Malaysian 咯。
hopefully 咯，我人愛真正。
因為愛看，各位聽講，我那時我冇機會看，我特別去看，等下播我聽。
阿 John 有一個物件較特別嘅事哦，人達到你看人做戲啦，人夾到 script，就是夾到劇本嘅點先真濟人啦，啲 Malaysia 啦，我本身我家己做戲嘅嘛，我拄到真濟讀到人冊嘅人啊，有時對調劇本嘅字嚟講嘅，所以講話點先有當時人期待啦，講話甲劇本上變做人無感情去咗，特別之處有一個真特別嘅所在就是甲舊年上。 伊嘅 script 咧是用 English 嚟寫嘅。
我看到伊唔捌看伊成日齋可能。
你不是用 English 寫嘅嘛？對唔對？你見到是嘛？是唔是？伊用 English 寫嘅，係了。你 actors 嘅 actress 是寄到 script，是看到 English 了，家己用家己話去寫出來咗。所以大句話本是家己講出來咗，伊唔是對了讀出來。
夠閃啦，哇！是一直通過，你了解以為講咩物件啦，甲用福建話講出來啦。
有啦，伊開出去嘅靈魂甲會拍出來。
伊當今，將伊當今甲人做講咧，所以變得歡喜嚟做。
伊做來就搞介紹嘅啦，伊。頂到阿妹請佢啊，冇阿妹請伊做甲人做工時，頂到甲我做工嘛，特別到甲邊人福建拍廣告咯。冇所以 still 到電話使個，攞嚟講，我講冇去累啦。
對，你冇個仔，你當然你唔是拄到 website 顧問題咩？
唔是問題嚟，是人嚟 Google。先 Google remove 翻咁，我係 at here 咪插嘢咩呢？不得。
Without having even seen it, like he's so,
yeah.
แล้ว
Okay, good.
แล้วก็ไปลอง这类 N1 as actors or directors or your assistant director and you Mark yourself. We can individually go and talk, and including Bella and Brana. What is it that you find that you want to achieve? That if there's one thing that you can point out to me, what do you want to achieve in this production? As an actor or as a director. So we'll start with Achu's character. Amelia. 你做這出戲，你achieve as an actor 啦，你做到係咩物件？
我哋要做啲物件。
要賺到係咩嚇？唔是你家己 as an actor，or 是 toward the production 啦，你做出來係咩物件？
希望會生一啦我。
是哦，冇啦。而且我真亂啊，因為我特別講真濟話，我講阿嬷講雲南話講福建話，了我真亂啊，就掉字我唔知我家己講咩話啦。我希望咧我是會順順做好嚇。
所以這是新嘅 challenge 嚟，你重新講你字話，別講。
是啊。我古早感覺到我近日講華語加福建話嘅，同金紅險要叫我講阿嬷，佢叫我講雲南話，我係死啊就。
Okay, that's a good stretch for an actor, I guess.
Huh?
A good stretch.
A good stretch. 因為佢裏邊是 the only one 有 interaction 㗎咯啦。
Yeah.
So 佢裏邊福建人講福建話，แล้ว媽媽講English แล้วก็half Malay 講 Malay and English 嘅參嘅，tapi 阿朱嘅角色咧較奇怪，因為伊是成個橋啊，因為伊特人伊冇當到嘛，所以伊特人嘅話伊冇都未曉講嘅，伊是 main actor 嘛 ，main actress 嘛。
阿姨呢？阿姨？
嚇？係咪數？
阿姨，你到底你冇講到你 character 到底下邊有加阿朱嘅 interaction 係咩個？你自己講，本身講。
哇！我平常時計安怎 make up 啊，計安怎看隻打波啊，計講人生是安怎啊，安尼款咯。啊，人生是安怎？人生係使嚟嘅。
แล้ว所以是想講，你嘅角色是想講做伊嘅即個阿朱嘅媽。要做馬，特別你做馬嘅部分，即伊來 fulfill 啦。
呢馬咧就較歹勢人無啦，唔是講伊較歹勢，是講伊教較無呢好，所以我較教教。
所以你成個 step in as a mother 嘅 character 呢？
啊？
你 step in as a like a motherly character to her 啦，to 阿朱啦。
差唔多成款咯。
แล้ว你 as an actor 咧，做即個 N1。被彈掉下面呢支出戲會做掉，你感覺到有被做掉下面物件？
我希望我係使真嘅扮野馬的，
真嘅扮野馬。
好啦，講笑咧。
希望
講字啊呢
？As actor。
哦，佢做 digital as actor。
冇啦，冇，因為我唔捌演過安尼款嘅 character，所以是真係大嘅。challenge 啊！
做咩事就大隻？安怎係 challenge？
科咯。
咩？係咩嘅？
我講我唔捌演過安尼款嘅
挑戰啊！
唔捌演過小姐啊！
OK，小姐我未รู้啦。你感覺掉講，若是講你演嚟款時，若是演 小查某型嘅款，個驚你有驚講人會成日講，哎呀，這 typical stereotype，你有驚人講呢啊？不想佢，不去笑佢。
冇驚啦，我冇去笑呢，紅嘢未驚。
Mark 咧，Mark。
媽，come in 嚟。
你喺講咩？
你不 concern 過即係Rocks 做portray character as in 特別型嘅 character，會驚講成日 because of stereotype，你唔教學伊做something things，so，或是你 just let him be decide what 伊 character 會 take。
我人有 of course discuss 啦，but 我是愛講 because before 我人做這個 character 嘅時啊，我是看頂到 in Penang 啦、BM 啊、Kulim 啊，好似這個老阿姐啊，伊人個老是我係媽，伊人個老伊人有朋友啊，伊人是老阿姐，伊人穿衫個成日搭波喺嗰種，我伊人嘅心啊是查波嘅嗰種，所以頂到好似嗰種，我去人試試啊，人成日驚，但係有一個搭波姐見那邊，因為我點樣看伊人是搭波嚟，but 伊人嘅心是查波嘅人嗰種，so we want to 我人愛portray this character 啦，so 呢個 character it's very not stereotype 啊 ，it's very unique 啊 ，because in this world 是真係超 ，I mean in especially in Penang 啊 ，this 路人無人點樣叫人是pondan 嘅嘛。But 這個 pondan 是無像個人 typical 像嘅 pondan 嘅嘛，伊人是 actually cannot really live what they want to live 啊，because this is not the modern pondan 嗰種，就是頂刀嘅。
Oh my gosh, that sounds so interesting. Hey, next time I write to the story about that character.
Actually, we want to write a story.
Okay, good. I'll fly back and I'll audition. I'll audition for it, please.
You audition for it. Yeah. So I think we want his character to represent these people who.
Because look, once you 講起咧，我有想到講 because 有 certain， I mean 我想到成個尤其是較老嘅人啊，較老一輩嘅人。
是咯 ，and 我嘅 family， 我人嘅 friends， 我人 family friend 啦，好似啊，可能搭波咗，但我馬人唔敢講啊，咪講起啊 ，you know it's 伊人 always is a funny character，but 我看到伊人時我冇 feel 成伊人是 funny 哦，I feel very sad for them 啊，because society is the society is the one that 幫伊人到嚟邊啊，可能 role 咗，但我是愛看伊人 actually happy or not。So there's one scene in the play Roax 阿朱梅 Roax 都有把想過愛搞因無，and then Roax character 講打掉有啦，but you know how you know yeah so we want to maybe explore that a bit lah and also because Achu character is 有 conflict with 伊嘅話口個嚟邊嘛，so Roax character 本有想 problem 咗，the inside outside is not the same yeah
Very good.
Yeah.
Captain
Bella Brana apa ya?
Cảm ơn anh hả?
Bella already 講啊嘛。
冇嚟，佢係繼續講我
what we want to achieve.
What we want to achieve. 如果聽人嗰三人講 what they want to achieve.
Yeah. Bella, Brana, and Kathleen quickly. As an actor.
我希望我演嘅時候，我係成個變做嘅 character 啊，我冇啲演咯。我個我變做嘅。
接線。
接線對，接線。
起檔。擦響。
起檔。
近網。
起檔變安啲啊，然後佢講華語啊。
Okay， 好。แล้ว Bella, what do you want to achieve as a character? I mean, from this involvement in this production, what do you want to achieve as an actor?
I want to basically I want to tell a story. My characters are basically either reenactment or a reflection of the main character herself. So I think it's very interesting. I don't think this play will work if it's in English. So I'm glad it's in Hokkien.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very cool. Thank you.
I've come to understand that, you know, throughout our rehearsal process. And it's a beautiful story to tell.
Nice. And Brana?
Well, I like how much my interaction with Achu plays on people's insecurities, and everyone has insecurities. So it's very nice how Mark words it, and I think what I want from the performance is that the audience understands what exactly we're trying to say about what we're trying to say.
I don't know what you're trying to say.
I don't know what I'm trying to say either. Basically, I just want them to see that everything you go through is all in your head. Things are a lot better than you think it is.
That's very cool. Now, as a group, as a whole cast and crew and everything, tell me when is this play and where?
It's going to be at Pentas 2 at KLPAC.
KLPAC,
Yeah, Pentas 2 KLPAC. It's on the 24th to the 27th of March. There are only 2 matinee shows. That's on the 26th and 27th. And the matinee shows at 3 o'clock is the last one on the 27th. That will be the last show. There's only 5 shows.
Sunday, 27th is Sunday, yeah. Okay.
5
shows, 20...
So Thursday to Sunday.
March 3月14號、15號、16號，是8點半啱咪？然後26號跟27號是各有3點。所以拜六有攞出啦，拜六是3點跟8點半，然後禮拜是跟3點嘅啦。咁若是有興趣去看咧，你會使去到裡邊段。
會使直到嚟 KLPAC 邊段，嗰時去落頂樓頂第一關嘅 celebrity fitness 後尾嘅 director studio 會使邊段 ，and then 上點上咧，等陣我學錄佢哋電話號碼，
幫嘢。
有顧我家己嘅 mailbox 啦，係啦，有時嗌邊段嘅話咧，又係使 send email 號話，係啦，我係使 book 學樣本咯。
係使。好咧，我使結邊咧，我記得佢幫嘢。
KL 嘅電話號碼嚇，抗沙4抗4切交清。
OK， 抗3 4抗4切交清。拍到你使結邊咧，我記得佢咪幫嘢，我幫到啲 website 可能看。好。咧感謝各位感謝 Amelia， 感謝 Mark， 感謝 Rox。感謝 Sisi, 感謝 Katin, 感謝Pak. Terima kasih Bella, and terima kasih Berana. Okay. Bye. แล้วiki看那是講我有機會來講啦，我看按照 arrange 講有機會來講，我應該會去。The only show 那是我會去應該是24號啦。
OK。
所以各位聽眾，這個禮拜嘅節目就做到這邊啊，我已經對邊樣，就是講你俾隨我嚟講，你去 facebook.com/邊樣Hokkien去看咩消息㗎，去twitter.com/John On， 感謝各位聽眾收聽，禮拜再見，拜。